In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into YouTube Studio. We'll go through this step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're doing this for the very first time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access your YouTube Studio dashboard and start managing your channel without any problems. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type something like YouTube Studio Login and press enter. You'll see a list of search results appear. Look for the official YouTube Studio link in those results. It should clearly mention YouTube Studio and usually appears near the top. Click on that link. When you do, the page will reload and take you to the YouTube Studio sign-in screen. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This should be the same Google account you use for your YouTube channel. You can enter either your email address associated with that account or the phone number you've linked to it. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos, and then click the Next button. After you click Next, the page will reload again and you'll be asked for your password. This is the password for the same Google account you just entered. Take your time and type it in accurately. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving the password in the browser to keep your account secure. Once you've entered your password, click Next again. If your email or phone number and password are correct, Google will process your login and then automatically redirect you into YouTube Studio. You might see a brief loading screen, and then you'll land on your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is where you can view your channel analytics, upload and manage videos, check comments, and adjust your channel settings. And that's it. You are now logged into your YouTube Studio account. From this point on, if you stay signed in on your device, you may not need to repeat all these steps every time. You can simply go to the YouTube Studio website directly, and it will open your dashboard as long as you're still signed into your Google account.